Hi everybody, welcome to the warranty page of ABQ Phone Repair and Accessories. In this little video, we will explain our warranty policy to you. Although we ensure that we always have the highest quality screens for mobile devices such as phones, iPads, tablets, and laptops, there might still be manufacturing problems with screens. At our local cell phone repair store in Albuquerque, we provide a 6-month warranty on newly installed screens for phones, iPads, and tablets. Suppose there are any problems with your newly installed screen, such as not registering finger movements in specific areas or opening random apps themselves without physical touches. In that case, customers should immediately contact our phone repair customer support to let them know. We will schedule a free warranty repair immediately. If parts are damaged, the customers will be responsible for the standard replacement cost. Screens that look new but open random apps or have touch problems will be covered under warranty. Screens that look worn or used, have cracks, tears, breaks, dents, and scratches, and have discoloration, colorful lines, black splotches, or entirely blacked out screens will void the warranty even if the glass looks new. In addition to screens, we have a 30-day warranty for other parts such as batteries, charging ports, front and back cameras, speakers, and many more. For details, give us a call at 505-336-1907 or visit our store today.